Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Gel Nail Kit is probably one of the most exciting innovations in the beauty industry, offering salon-quality manicures from the comfort of your home. This all-in-one kit promises durability, shine, and a wide array of colors, making it a must-have for nail art enthusiasts and busy individuals alike. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect kit that meets your needs and delivers stunning results? Let's dive in and find out. Number 5. Saviland Acrylic Nail Kit for Beginners. Want salon-quality nails without the salon price? This kit has everything you need to get started. It includes multiple colors of acrylic powder and all the essential tools. This beginner-friendly kit includes clear, pink, and nude acrylic powders, along with a liquid, brush, nail forms, and more. It's a complete set for creating beautiful nails. With this kit, you can do nail extensions, 3D designs, French manicures, and more. The possibilities are endless, whether you're working on natural or fake nails. Get beautiful, long-lasting nails in minutes. It dries in just a few minutes and can last for weeks without chipping or peeling if applied correctly. The acrylic powder and liquid are made with high-quality ingredients for easy application and vibrant colors. It's designed to prevent yellowing and ensure your nails look great. Remember to store the products properly and work in a well-ventilated area. If you have any questions, customer service is available to help you. What we like? This kit is perfect for beginners, offering everything you need to start your acrylic nail journey. It's designed for ease of use, allowing you to create beautiful, long-lasting nails at home. If you're new to acrylics and want a comprehensive kit to get started, this is the one for you. What people say. The EMA liquid monomer has a manageable scent and creates a strong, durable bond that keeps my extensions looking perfect for over 28 days without lifting or yellowing. This all-in-one set truly includes everything you need, from the professional brushes to the nail forms and dap and dish. The acrylic powder blends smoothly with the liquid and sets well without being too runny or too stiff. The clear, pink, and nude shades look very natural and are easy to work with. Number 4. Saviland Acrylic Nail Kit Starter Set. Want salon-quality nails at home? This kit has everything you need. It includes various colors of acrylic powder and all the essential tools for a perfect manicure. This kit is designed for beginners. You can easily create beautiful, long-lasting acrylic nails in minutes. No curing is required, it air dries quickly. When applied correctly, it can last for weeks without chipping. It's perfect for extensions, French manicures, and various nail art designs. The possibilities are endless with this kit. The acrylic powder and liquid are formulated for easy application and color clarity. The materials are made with quality ingredients to prevent yellowing. You'll love the results. Keep the products away from direct sunlight and ensure proper ventilation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Enjoy creating beautiful nails. What we like? This kit is designed for those who are just starting out, making it simple to achieve professional-looking results. It's also formulated for longevity, so your beautiful nails will last. If you are looking for a kit that combines ease of use with durability, this is a great choice. What people say. The EMA liquid monomer has a manageable scent and creates a strong, durable bond that keeps my extensions looking perfect for over 28 days without lifting or yellowing. This all-in-one set truly includes everything you need, from the professional brushes to the nail forms and dap and dish. I was able to create beautiful nail extensions and even some 3D carving on my first try. The gel nail kit comes with everything you need to DIY. The instructions are clearly written and easy to understand and follow. The nail tips, which are full coverage, are of good quality, and there is a large variety of sizes making it easy to find the right fit for each nail. The 4-in-1 brush-on gel is easy to use and cures quickly with the included light. The included nail drill is light in weight and fits in my hand easily, not bulky or heavy. The speed of the nail drill is easy to adjust and it has both up, forward, and reverse direction which is also easily adjusted. Number 3. Saviland Acrylic Nail Starter Kit. Introducing the Saviland Acrylic Nail Starter Kit. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for stunning acrylic nails at home. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts. The kit features clear, pink, and nude acrylic powders, along with the essential acrylic liquid. It also includes nail forms, a brush, a dap and dish, a file, and cuticle pushers. This kit has all the accessories you need for beautiful nails. The acrylic powders are designed for both extensions and nail art. The liquid provides excellent adhesion and prevents yellowing. This kit is a great choice for creating long-lasting and fashionable nails. The acrylic powder is easy to apply and self-levels for a smooth finish. No lamp is needed, as it air dries naturally. The result is a durable, protective layer that can last for weeks. Made with non-toxic materials, this kit is safe for your nails. It's also an ideal gift for anyone who loves doing acrylic nails. The packaging is designed to minimize waste, making it an eco-conscious choice. Keep the kit away from direct sunlight and heat. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help. Get ready to enjoy your beautiful acrylic nails. What we like. This kit is all about convenience and quality, with easy application and no need for a lamp. The natural air dry feature saves time and effort, while the high-quality materials ensure beautiful, long-lasting results. If you like a hassle-free, salon-quality experience, consider this kit. What people say. The EMA liquid monomer has a manageable scent and creates a strong, durable bond that keeps my extensions looking perfect for over 28 days without lifting or yellowing. This all-in-one set truly includes everything you need, from the professional brushes to the nail forms and dap and dish. The acrylic powder blends smoothly with the liquid and sets well without being too runny or too stiff. Number 2. Saviland Nail Stamper Kit. This Saviland kit includes 2 long and 2 short jelly nail stampers, along with scrapers. It's designed for easy use, quickly picking up patterns. The clear silicone ensures the image transfers perfectly, making nail art stylish and fun for everyone. The Saviland jelly stampers are soft and durable, with long and short sizes for various nail types and designs. It's recommended to use liquid nail latex with the short stamper for French manicures, preventing gel from sticking to the skin. These silicone stamper heads are removable for easy cleaning. They're made of soft, upgraded silicone. When using them, especially on pointed or square nails, press gently to avoid damaging the head. The mini size of the Saviland nail stamper kit allows you to do nail art anywhere. Enjoy the fun of DIY nail art stamping. First, apply colored gel polish to the stamper's edge, then press vertically for classic French nails. Finally, you will get a clean French manicure. Clean the stamper with running water or a slip solution, then air dry it. You can also use tape to remove gel polish or dirt. If you have any issues with the kit, contact customer service anytime for assistance. They are always ready to help. What we like. This kit is your go-to for creating perfect French manicures with ease. Its clear image transfer ensures precise designs, and the included tools make the process simple for both beginners and pros. If you are looking for a simple way to elevate your nail art game, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The clear silicone stampers pick up polish cleanly and transfer it smoothly, making it simple to achieve crisp, even French tips every time. All 4 stampers feel sturdy and well made, and the transparency makes placement incredibly precise. This significantly enhances ease of use, particularly for individuals who may not possess a steady hand. Number 1. Modelones Short Square Nail Tips, DIY Manicure Kit. Want beautiful nails without the salon visit? These pre-shaped gel tips from Modelones make it easy. You can extend your nails quickly and enjoy a fun DIY manicure experience. These nail tips are made with high-quality, breathable, and durable materials. They look natural and are safe for your nails and health. The half-matte texture increases friction and adhesion. Get stunning nails in just minutes. This formula provides excellent break-resistant support, and the results can last for over 28 days. It's a convenient and long-lasting solution. The kit includes 216 nail tips in 12 different sizes, each individually numbered. You'll easily find the perfect fit for every finger. It's designed for a comfortable and customized experience. These tips are perfect for various nail art techniques, including gel polish, liner gel, press-ons, and more. They are great for both professional salons and at-home DIY projects. It's perfect for any occasion. What we like. This kit offers pre-shaped tips for quick and easy nail extensions, saving you time and effort. The break-resistant formula ensures your nails stay flawless for weeks. If you have a busy lifestyle but still want beautiful nails, it's the perfect solution. What people say. They are durable and easy to shape and paint. The length and shape are perfect. The quality is amazing, they don't break or chip or crack. They are perfect length to not impact opening things, pressing buttons, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.